Guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time here, welcome to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Amaka, and in this particular video I tried wash and go on my fussy natural hair for the very first time. I'm not really a wash and go girl, so I just tried this and this were my results. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like it, okay, if you enjoy it, and if you're not subscribed, do well to subscribe, okay? Now let's get right into this video. Oh my god. Alright guys, we are going to do this wash and go. This is my first time, guys, so please pardon me, okay? If I'm not doing anything correctly, please let me know in the comment section. I'd like to know, I'd like to learn. I've already gone ahead to start off the back just because I wanted to try it out off camera and be sure that my colors are popping like they say. Alright, so I'll be using just two products. I'm using the Lottabody styling mousse and the Eco Styler gel. I believe these are just the two products you need for a wash and go. I don't know. But this is an attempt, okay, my very first attempt. We're gonna see how this goes. Hopefully it turns out well because I don't want to spend all these hours. It doesn't turn out well. So I wanted it to be, I don't want a shrunken wash and go. I wanted at least an elongated style. So I just finished washing my hair. Okay, I just literally washed my hair now, so my hair is still dripping wet. I have a spray bottle here with water just in case my hair gets dry and I need to re-wet it. So okay, and finger detangling, guys. Okay, and then I'll go in my gel. So with the gel my curl still starts to pop. Whoa. Alright, so gel, I run my fingers through it like so. I take 3 pumps of my mousse, and then, but the mousse helps to make everything set, so that's why I'm using the mousse. I did my research, guys. I did my research, okay? So the key to having a very perfect wash and go is to have a perfect wash day, okay? So you have to really cleanse your scalp, make sure your hair is clean before you start. But I've seen people do wash and goes on dry hair, okay? You just have to reapply water and the gel, then the mousse. So I decided to do this after I have washed my hair because I wanted to have like a whole clean canvas to work with. Alright guys, so I'm going to go on now and speed this up, okay, because this is quite time consuming. So I'm going to rush through this and we'll be back when I'm done. Alright guys, so I'm finally done. I think I'm going to give myself like a shake, just so that my curls will naturally fall in place and take shape. But I definitely want to give myself like a side part, so I'm just going to go on okay. This is going to take another long time to dry because my hair is definitely weighed down. All the water plus gel plus mousse is weighed down. Normally I'll go into like a dryer and like I think blow it out or dry it out, but I'm just going to let it air dry, so I'll be back when it dries out. Hi guys, so it's been over almost 24 hours and this is my hair. It's quite dry now. I had to use like a hand dryer to dry it out. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. It's very dry, it's very crunchy, you know. It's actually very shrunken too. This is day one hair, so this is how small my fro is for day one. Okay, and I normally like a big hair, so I guess on the second day it's gonna fluff out more, but this is what my hair looks like. And because it's quite dry, I'm just going to use, not to spritz, a little bit of water and fluff out the roots a little more. But I like this wash and go style, guys. I'm not usually a wash and go girl, but I like this style and I appreciate the effort. So I'm going to take a little bit of gel and just style the edges, lay my edges a little bit. So yeah, these are the final results. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, okay? And comment down below any other natural hairstyle you would like to see from me, and any other recommendation as well I would like to see. I'll get to it as well. As always, I love you guys for watching. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, okay? And thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.